and this is dedicated to the ladies out there that love makeup. Anyhow, I know you ladies always want to have your pictures look so beautiful, so this is for you. And let's chip in into the video. But before that, this picture was downloaded from freepik.com. You can all get this picture from freepik.com, and you all need to know that this is a powerful website for you to get all kinds of vectors, all kinds of pictures, all kinds of PSDs and all that stuff, GIFs and animations. So it's a powerful website for you. And without going no further, let's go into the video. So I imported this picture from my gallery after downloading it, and then I placed it here. So now let's go. First of all, I'll select this tool. It's a selection tool. It's a polygonal lasso tool. It's a polygonal lasso tool, but first of all I need to have it enlarged by zooming it in. I zoom it in, maybe enlarge some more. After that, go back to my polygonal lasso tool, then I select the lips by doing so. So right now we are basically selecting the lips, highlighting where we want our lipstick to appear. You'll need to be patient. So after that, just hold Alt until you get that negative sign, and then click, so that you can also highlight the inner part of it. So once you have that, you can as well come and unlock your layer, your background layer, or you call it your layer 0. Then give it a solid color. So we shall give it solid color red, since we want lipstick and most people love red lipstick. It's not Valentine's Day yet, but it's okay. So there we have our red lipstick. But before that, before our red lipstick, we need to first modify, go to feather, then give it like a 2. So we have one inside and one outside. This is just for the radius. Then we add color. We add our color by going to solid, red. Our red lipstick is right there. Then after that, we go to our effects, then choose soft light. Soft light is really amazing. And then after that, we go to blending options. Now blending options will help us get the texture of the lips, the light, and all that stuff. So you click on Alt to separate the two. Click Alt, separate. Click Alt. Alright, so there are some of you that would love to have it more dark. Yeah, dark lipstick may look so beautiful, so on you. So this is for you. Just create a duplicate layer. Let's create a duplicate layer. Okay, so once you have a duplicate layer, change the effects to multiply. So that's multiply, and then come to your blending options. And drag here too. So we have our texture revealed. And there goes the beautiful lady, a beautiful lipstick. So we've come to the end of this video, to the end of this tutorial. For those that love Photoshop, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and support me by watching, by learning, and putting all this creativity into practice. It's really powerful for those that are really Photoshop and Illustrator lovers, or call them graphic designers. Anyhow, this is the end of this video. Peace.